Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to receive the phone notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are enabled for the notifications to work. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down to the list of device, or rather list of applications on our iPhone. On this list, let's find the Mibro Fit right here, then tap on it. Now make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled right here. Once it is, go back to settings, scroll all the way up and tap on the Bluetooth option. Here, find the XPA-W00 device, this one. Tap on the info icon next to it, and now make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once it's enabled, you can close the settings. Now we can open the Mibro Fit application on our phone, or rather iPhone, then tap on devices. Make sure that the Mibro Lite is right here on the list and it says connected. Then tap on the notification option, and here we can customize the notifications for our watch. We can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch, like this. And we can also enable or disable the notifications for certain apps separately. Like we can enable it for or disable it for mail, SMS, phone, Skype, stuff like that. Basically, you need to tap the switch next to the app to disable it or enable it, like this. You can also enable the option to that the message reminder screen switch. So basically this option, if you enable it, if you receive the notification on your watch, the screen will light up, it will wake up. Basically, that's what this option does. And once you're done customizing your notifications, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. You can check them by waking up the screen on your watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe upwards on the screen. As you can see, here we have the notifications, and we can tap on the pen icon to clear them, or tap on the notification to check it out. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.